form policies that affect intellectuals in this country.
Na walimu pamoja na wazazi wamehimizwa kuwasaidia wanafunzi hasa wale wachanga kuweza kuamua kuhusiana na mwelekeo wa masomo yatakayowasaidia katika kuchagua kazi watakayofanya baada ya masomo. Haya yamesemwa wakati wa kuhitimu kwa wanafunzi shule ya mfumo wa Uingereza Kitengela katika kaunti ya Kajiado, ambapo wazazi wamehimizwa pia kuhakikisha watoto wanahitimu kutoka kiwango kimoja hadi kingine kwa motisha kuendeleza na masomo.
For the next group. Thank you. I would like to...
And today being my graduation day, I am very excited.
We've seen them grow as confident students, and this is something we continue celebrating. We are giving them an opportunity to really be really adaptive students, global citizens, so that as they grow, they can actually realize the importance of education and the value of talents as well.
The British curriculum, Cambridge curriculum, is a diverse curriculum. It's an international curriculum. It has been tested and proven to be right for students.
We are seeing what's happening in our country. Our country is because the system taught us that once you're out of school, you have to look for a job. And there's a very big difference between job and work. A job is what you're paid to do. Work is what pays you. And that's what the British system is all about.
Wazazi